In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a CMS page in Webflow. If you're looking to create seamless navigation in your Webflow project, linking buttons or text to CMS pages is a vital step. In this tutorial, we'll specifically focus on using a button to achieve this. So, let's dive right into it. Imagine you have a beautifully designed page, and you want a button on this page to redirect users to one of your CMS pages. First, make sure you already have a button in place on your Webflow project. This button serves as the link that will guide your visitors to the intended CMS page. Now, to begin the linking process, go ahead and select the button you have prepared. Upon selecting it, you'll notice a few options appearing in the interface. You need to look for a gear icon that is conveniently located next to the button's title name. Clicking on this gear icon will open a settings pane for the button. Here, you'll be able to customize different aspects of the button. And most importantly for us, you'll be setting where this button will direct users when it's clicked. Within these settings, you'll see an option to select what the button links to. And here is where the magic happens. You'll want to choose the page option from this list. By doing so, you're instructing the button to function as a link to one of the pages you've created in your CMS. Once you select Page, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. This menu holds all the potential destinations your button can point to, essentially listing the pages within your project. Browse through and find the CMS page you have in mind. For instance, if you're working with a blog setup, you might want users to go to a specific blog post or a blog index page. Choose your desired page from this drop-down, and with that simple action, your button is now a functional link. And there you have it. Your button is now directly linked to your CMS page of choice. This process not only enhances the interactivity of your project, but also improves user navigation, giving your audience a smooth journey across your site's contents. Linking elements to CMS pages in Webflow opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to keep your design both dynamic and user-friendly. As you continue to build and expand your site, remember that keeping navigation intuitive through such internal links can significantly enhance user experience. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to link to a CMS page in Webflow, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to elevate your web design skills.